So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to like a post on Threads. So a couple ways you can do this. You can first go to the home page or your explore page or your feed, I guess, for that matter. Go to the bottom left and press on what looks like a house. Now when you're on this screen, you can simply just select a post that you want to like. So if I wanted to like this post, for example, from the NBA, I can just go to where it says the heart right here, press on the heart, and if it lights up, there you go. You have now liked the post on this. Now you can also do it another way. So if you wanted to go to the search bar right here, and if I wanted to go to Instagram, for example, I'll just search up Instagram. There we go. Now if you wanted to like a specific post on Instagram, so let's just say you wanted to like this one, for example, you can press on the post right here and do the exact same thing. Press on the heart so that it lights up, and there you go. That is how you guys can like a post on Threads. I hope this video helped.